Hey y'all, so the skinny bitch is in a kitchen again and again. And we got lobster rolls. This how we gonna start it off. We gonna boil some water and place a drainer, a steamer on top, and we're going to steam our lobster. So I already took apart my lobster, and I also added in some crab meat as well, some real crab meat. I don't like imitation. And we're just gonna steam this, and you want to steam it on low. Now I let this steam for about 10 to 15 minutes on low. If you put it on high, you don't want your meat to be tough. We like our seafood to be just fine, not tough. Now we're gonna take some butter along with my favorite scampi sauce. This is great for seafood, for Alfredo, for just some seasoning, some sauce. It is perfect. I love this shit. Okay, it's cracking the bottle for seafood. So I'm gonna take a little scoop of butter and 1 scoop of that shrimp scampi sauce, and we are gonna bring that to a nice boil. And then we're gonna reduce the heat because our meat is already cooked. We just needed the butter to be melted. I'm telling y'all, this is so easy and quick to make. Because now all I'm gonna do is toss it on up with some minced garlic, just a tad bit. Honestly, this is optional. You don't need it. And this is optional as well, the heavy cream. But I just wanted to create more of a sauce a little bit. And we're just gonna toss this up. And let me tell y'all, y'all can eat this over rice, put some spaghetti noodles with this, and it's perfect. However, we're gonna go ahead and toast our buns. You can even use hot dog buns. However, these were the New England lobster rolls that they had in the grocery store. So I'm just toasting this. Now I'll toast this for about 2 minutes the most. If depending on how you like your bread. I like it kind of toasty, a little bit brown on the outside. Now this is also optional, but I just added some garlic and herb seasoning. This is the only seasoning I use for this. And now we want to make it look all pretty, right? So I got my nice white plates. I got my toasted, warm lobster roll buns. And next we just gonna add some crab meat and lobster meat on top. And then we're gonna top it off with some crab legs. I'm telling y'all, this meal is quick, it's easy, it is delicious, and it is just like expensive, okay? Okay, let me know if y'all want me to do another video. Keep them coming back to back. Thank you guys for watching.